अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट, आपकी दोस्त एंजलाई। सो वेलकम टू माय लाइव स्ट्रीम एवरीवन। थैंक यू सो मच ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम एवरीवन। आज हम बात करेंगे के पे। ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम एवरीवन। ओके, थैंक यू। Get Launchpad 5 coding KDK combined with USD and GUSD 100% tokens unlocked and distributed. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Get Launchpad 5 Kinetic KTK subscription is about is began tokens subscribing in their round will be distributed using a 100% unlocked method. This project supported community with POS USD and GUSD previous user with created flexibility. GUSD is a wallet brings acid backed by translation RWAS that offer country returns during the audience periods maintain APR 4%. Distributed daily, GUSD can be targeted user from the Launchpad project, allowing users to participate in new tokens, offer while earning stable yield. Okay, thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Okay. In educate user with successful subscription to Launchpad project will be equipped to assist reward when participate in simple and USD project. Please project people in advance are take part in this Launchpad project. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, community now. So, welcome to my live stream, everyone. QTKIC is a verified, intricate, discrete in locality platform powered tokens launches trading and advanced quality management integrated vibration, bleed, equity and backed by our $5.5 Ponzi millions from leading investor Incarity Hack vs Empire Group DOS and the splitted critic community. 19% sport and PEEP, DEX market share and merchants and started was a network highest leveraged created product. It will start the EFL suit span sport and former trading. Okay, accredited automatical quality management, inverted lawyers, art of incompleted validators and no cost tokens, Diplomat Kurdic is a top 2 quality manager in the intricate top 16 per 16 day DEX by VEL, 70 DEX by volume, top 116 product by fees, and top 14 by dex fees. Kotick is replicating to word it version of becoming the sign and end-to-end platform for every user TEFL January. Okay. Okay, why the website? Okay, so welcome to my live stream everyone. Thank you. Okay, so welcome to my live stream everyone. Okay, thank you. Bree shines negative quality hop. Okay, launch off. Okay, welcome to my live stream everyone. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, so welcome to my live stream. Total volume lock it. Okay, swift volume activity user. Launch rate and LPNE is asset. Traders get the best trader explanation and lost sample when trading on play shine. Protect and quality privacy. Choose your LP status options. Opportunities from free applications. A full set from trading and quality solutions. Okay. Consolidate and full rank AMMS. Got tax DEX privacy user with a non custodiated higher capital effort trading and liquidity privacy expires. Curtic and insulated arithmetical cultured management with set and forget is trivial. Levers Brechine or POL form PL2 efficient and status located. Band of Fistori promotional tokens to deploy with customer embedding service and interpreted quality explanations integrated with the quality DEX. Okay, welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, frames. Traded the most people's tokens with up to 100% leverage with pool power indicative validators, main trading and the hour security and value flow and bridge chance. Be ability K-talks and negative auto computing value from BGT earning to get it insulated that maximum utility blanket by the loading maintenance and interesting funders in Web3. Okay, Conticas. Contic. Contic. Okay. So welcome to my live stream everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream everyone. Okay. Thank you so much everyone. Okay everyone, thank you so much for joining my live stream everyone. Okay, welcome to my live stream everyone. Thank you. Okay, so welcome to my live stream everyone. Panda. Okay, so thank you. Okay, welcome to my live stream. Panda Fucaster launch our tokens every chance in just upload check. Okay, to $8 millions volume to K Panda post developer. Okay, thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, FAQ. What is Get Launchpad? Get Launchpad is a Get Navigate tokens launch platform that allows you get earning in case to hire particular crypto project to host a payment subscription model, giving you a head start before the market mention on. Okay, what tokens can a user to subscribing? Launchpad subscribing tokens are typical USDT, GT or other. Please check the project details from Subscribed. The final subscription tokens shall be passed on the actual project. Not broad funds are not eligible for participate in Launchpad project. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, question. When will funds be looking after subscribing? Okay. Yes, if your subscription is successful, the corresponding amount will be educated from your amount with 4 hours after the subscription period, and any subscription portal product will also be unlocked the transfer to your sport asset with 4 hours after the subscription models end. Okay, thank you. Cost, how are tokens allocated? After the subscription and tokens are distributed based on your subscription distributed as a percentage of a total fund receiver. Your subscription amount is allocated. Recording and tokens are allocated to your sport accounts. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, how many tokens will I receive? Get currently user two method to calculate the token distributed method 1. Tokens allocated based on the format of your total community during the subscription period levied to the total distributed of your project. Method 2. Tokens allocated based on the format of your average or looking amount during the subscription periods levied to the project hourly hourly our average contributed. Regulars to of the method user you allocated cannot exchange the simplified max cap from subscription. Okay. How to get the Launchpad bonus? When you use GT and USDT to participate in Launchpad, you can choose the transfer the simple and free stream product after the project ends, and you can get any extra bonus. Will subject to the personal distributed limited consumability. Note that you cannot get any extra distributed reward from the simple and free product that has not been applied from Turing Launchpad. Okay, where has there no Launchpad bonus when I try the subscribing to simple and during the subscription? If you reach the maximum distributed reward, there will be no adequate reward. Okay, welcome to my live stream, and thank you so much, everyone. What consulted do I need to meet to join the Launchpad subscription? Okay, thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. You need to complete KYC to participate in Launchpad. Come project may also require you to meet the preferred trading volume calculated during the dedicated periods. For new user only the project you many stay have a subscription quality and without meeting their trading volume requirement, please refer to the project and community from details. ओके ये था हमारा के बारे में जो डिटेल्स थी वो मैंने आपके साथ शेयर की. ओके. Thank you so much for joining my live stream, everyone. Okay, thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Nights, quiet rooms, that fire you can't turn off. While the world sleeps, you grind. Have since surpassed piece by 40 piece, million in swap build value. Your edge. Good afternoon. Then comes the moment. Cody, I can do it. When preparation meets opportunity. Kodiak token. And everything snaps into place. Kodiak. Every story starts in the trenches. Late nights.
Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone.
That fire you can't turn off.
ओके सो थैंक यू ये थी हमारी केटी के की वीडियो ओके total allocated 3.0.0 KTK number of participate 6789 okay event pass 1 up 2025 12 70 13.0 subscription started 2025 12 9 13.0 okay subscription and 2025 12 31 13.0 distributed 2025 12 22.13.0 launchpad details total supply 10.0.0.0 KTK total altcoin of launchpad 3.0.0 KTK allocated of 4 USD pool 2.10.0 KTK Altacoin from GUSD pool 90.0 KTK. Total community USD 735.0 USD. Total community GUSD 315.0 GUSD. K per subscription USD 21.0 KTK. K per subscription GUSD 9.0 KTK. Project details. Okay. Britam. Okay. Britam has a technical large group, a large background, and our four hosts. Will time crypto expire? Indicative bleed day to disactivated post any on chain. Buy and hold instigated that you need your frame quality, privacy, and maximum long term expire. Protect to return launch. And as the asset are gaming start and then speed time on the investment or team and protect crypto CA. Okay. High version. Critic Kitik has 19% DEX market share on pre-chains. Kitik is the highest reverse created product of pre-chain. Okay, so welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream and thank you so much everyone. Okay everyone, thank you. Frame DEX in quality frame super estimated DX KX It demand quality, nature, insulated, stable, sconce, lawyer, intricate system, auto BGT, to bridge and validators, intricate facet and combined valid validated. No card token developer brand Panda Fricator Blockchain BTG LCT Baker DEO Kurdik Frames launched in earning October 2025 and highest creators $16 millions in welcome and $20 millions in welter rules. Okay, tokens economic KTK is a negative crypto public security visible protect tokens of KTK fancy ticket samples KTK is a transparent split form and attributed graphics and unit features simplified in the product cost in KDK fallacy and which is indicated to be user solid as any intricate unit tokens to hold their total and the maximum supply of KTK is 101010. So KTK can be accumulated via shopping from KTK on the KTX or other sporting exchange. Okay, thank you so much for watching my live stream, everyone. Okay, everyone, thank you. Participate in Get Launchpad, Rhythm D and Rhythm X KTK from KTK. XKTK is a non-transparent in is rewarded. Grammy tokens in it can be earning from integrated with the critic product of to hold distributed KDK conservation. And the main user cost of KXKTK is the ability to alter cost it on unit models. The option calculated of stake SKTK is into the tokens created and estimate exchanges the deposit amount to a simplified unit models in exchange from version B5. Technical overviews. KDK is the first version technical quality platform. Combine the following lawyers. One discrete exchange KDKDX privacy used with a non-customer high capital efficacy trading and quality. Privacy expires powered by it is a consolidated and full rank AMMS. Okay, to adamant quality and nature, codic insulated article sign deposited from the average user to host user set and advocated automatical conservative quality as started visit. 3. Interactive lawyers sweetheart insulated topics into bridge and proof of quality pool mentioned to stables intricate quality from Quatic insulated. No code token developer future panda filters Visible the permission will be delimited from new tokens and their inventor G.E.G meme coins. Clarity on the quick text full rank AMM. Ideal from high validated asset choice wise. Chartist and interpreted. Okay, welcome to my live stream and thank you so much everyone. Tokens Alta Coin. Interactive intercalated and style a drop to 1% to 5% upward and a 0 get following by a 36 month in where visit. Interest is 26% to 0% upward, 0 month is set following by a 24 month in line visit in XDKDK. Split RBR 10%, 0% upward, 0 month capital following by a 24 month in line visit in XTK. Growth is contributed to 70%, 0% upward, 6 month credit, following by 24 hours in line visit. Okay, okay, so welcome to my live stream. It was 3%, 0% upward, 6 month Cativa following by a 4 month line visit. Collected 5%, 100% unlock RTGE. Fund operations and ecosystem growth 50% and 10% upward, 0 month stable following by a 4 month inline visit. Public sale 3% TGE 100%. This morning, one the Launchpad project is day is the interactive strong future in clarity the option the right with technical of the project and other relevant regular activity made contributed to sacrifice rank or get. Okay, so welcome to my live stream everyone. Thank you. Okay everyone, thank you so much joining my live stream too. It was a technical and financial energy is a quality to understand and evaluate in the range of crypto asset investment. Okay, thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, see, a validity of market is high and the price of tokens nature picket validated to the technical regular and market to for futures etc. For user will not be able to withdraw all the process tokens to the technical issues of the project guide. Okay, so thank you my live stream everyone. Kitik Kotik KTK subscription role basis details project naam Kitik. Okay, token stable KTK Total tokens altcoin 3.0.0 KTK. USD pool 70% 2.10.0 KTK. JUSD pool 13% 90.0 KTK. Subscription method supported community with USD and GUSD maximum per subscription sustainability 100 USD 100 GUSD. Okay, subscription pairs K 1 KDK 3.35 USD 1 KDK 3.35 USD don't have GUSD mm, main minute now. Subscription models December 19 2005 18.0 UTC December 21 2025 8.0 UTC. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, s- per user altcoins COP cap USD pool to 1.0 KTK JUSD pool 9.0 KTK. Equilibrity user most complete inventory verification and meet the minimum subscription participate requirement. Distributed KTK tokens will be distributed before December 22.2025 8.0 UTC. Spot trading start December 23.2025 14.0 UTC. Trading pairs KTK USD unlock method unlock 100%. Okay, distributed roles. Tokens altcoins in a calculated based on each user. Only average tokens amount during the subscription periods levied to the project are tokens average. Community amount earning participate result in high altcoin. Calculated formula. Hourly average looking amount. Total hourly looking amount is Snapchat total subscription hourly 48 hours. Explain. Accumulated 48 hours subscription periods and user A, B, and C each plan to community 10.0 USD. Okay, user A. Community in the first hours and keep funds looking to hold to hot. Average looking amount 10.0 minus 48 minus 10.0 USD. User B community after 24 hours and hold unit the and average. Looking amount 10.0 my 424 my hash 48 hash 50.0 USD. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. User C community in the finally horse. Every looking amount 10.0 x 148 2.083 USD. Not. Actual tokens Altcoin depend on each user protect of the total average looking amount subscription to project Altcoin limited and investor cap. Okay, so welcome to my live stream everyone. Thank you. Okay, explain are full intricate and endly and do not requirement finally result. Community amount do not require to finally token value or scalability. Finally, Atacoin demand is demand by system calculated. Tokens distributed community fund will be looking during the subscription periods and cannot be redeemed earning after distributed. The corresponding amount uses the collected token will be duplicated and any issues fund will be automatically returned to your user sport accounts. If the finally Altcoin tokens amount is less than 0.0001 tokens will not be distributed and the fund community amount will be returned. Simple earn bonus user with successful subscription to Launchpad and participate in simple earn USDT fixed fantasy and enjoy up to 20% unlimited unit. New user exclusive to this person and when unless join now. 13 days fantasy 20% unless view stay details. Okay, welcome to everyone. Thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, network issue, everyone. Okay, view details. Okay, thank you so much joining my live stream, everyone. How to participate? Web log into your get accounts and complete interview verification. Community USD or GUSD mint or buy are distributed. To get USD, check in and go to the launchpad. Select KTK and check community now. Enter amount confirm and community KTK will be altcoins protect based on the each user. Only average. Okay. Okay, so everyone, thank you. Only average looking amount during the subscription periods. Earning subscription led into high average looking amount and contributed high alta coin. Okay, app please upgraded to version 3.31, 7.01 or 0 or above. Log into your get accounts and complete it verification. Complete USD RG USD RG USD net by or by are distributed to get GUSD to simple and And go to Launchpad, select KDK and check the community now. Enter amount confirm and complete KDK will be altcoins for that pass it on each hourly. Earning hourly average looking amount during the subscription for that. Earning subscription lock into high average looking amount and consolidated to high altcoins. Okay, project informational critic and KDK our views. KDK is verified is located and distributed quality platform power looking launched trading and advanced quality management. Distributed by Shine Blade and Bears Consultancy and Place by $35 3 million plus for home looking investor equity hack vs Amber. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. Okay, everyone. Insulated shine blade bear consolidated and break packet by $5. Okay, group 2 and the ops 5 and executed executive combined 19% sport and PMTX market share and pay shine and status as the following. So network is high created product. Okay, so welcome to my live stream, everyone. Thank you. It is full is stock DX stay span sport and print trading integrated automatic automated quality in measurement educated lawyers after compound valid validators and no court token trial payment. Kotick is a top one quality measurement in the understand top 16 DEX by TVL 70 DX by volume top 116 product by fees and the 14 by DEX fees. Critic is a display exchange to what version is become the sign in the end-to-end platform for large user TX January. To contact KTK basis information based on official disclosure from the KTK project, please refer to the official website for details. One token's name EN Kotik, token 2 token's name CNNA, 3 tokens symbol KTK, 4 total supply 10.0.0.0, 5 tokens type pre-shine tokens ideal. So ideal so welcome to my live stream. आइडियल देख लेते हैं क्या है. ओके. एवरीवन नेटवर्क इशू बहुत आता है. Official website executor GetLab investor display. GetLab has not participated in the investment of Kotick KDK. Note: one, a launchpad project are earning a stable launchpad investor and pay value is a preferred rank leverage option, technical and regular investment. 2. Cryptocurrency investment gray high range into alt hot This sale at the hop, deposit and public and fair large model there are many established preferred privacy or limited market quality placed in case you finally interpreted to chat and insulated rank before participate. Beyond funds, investor accounts and sub accounts are not participated. The launchpad participate. Invited and a stable blockchain project quality advanced technical and financial knowledge. Project price may finally validate sacrifice to the technical Lloyd market or other futures. Cryptocurrencies project investigated high range and price are high validate. The project team has no stay and major requirement as to not privacy. Any price committee to create and again price to drop. You should participate any after full understand the risk and engage it that you are able to bear them. The platform strong ramps you other ranks but cannot privacy and greater competitions on sample quality from your investment activity. In case of any display between the translation version and the English version shall be visible. Get receiver the funny right of interpreted from this event. The user from UK and the UK and other registered request cannot issue all or part of the service. From details, please refer to the user agreement. Get in December 17.2025. Get Y2 crypto trade over 4.10 cryptocurrency FAQ and EC and get tech activity now. Sign up and claim up to $10.60 in welcome reward. Invited friend and earn a 40% commission. Stay candid. Visit Get official website. Download the Get app. Deposit. Follow user next Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Agree with the global community from the interactive insight. Transparency and security. Check 100% amount of service. Okay. So welcome to my live stream everyone. Thank you. Candy Drop. Everyone. Candy Drop completes task to claim airdrop $16.98 community airdrop. $898.57K total participate 6 million participate. Lashful Lashful kick stick and protocol new tokens $55.737 community airdrop. She won $212.66K estimated total reward. For $9.03 fund receiver. 7 million participate. Alpha points. Alpha points trade on chain asset and enjoy airdrop reward. So 0 alpha points. Future points. Future points enjoy multiplied drop reward and receive a coin B50. Welcome to everyone. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. And thank you so much everyone. Order airdrop, City and get maximum airdrop for free. $313 point two two million community airdrop. 12 million participate. 372 project launch it. Okay, last bet. Be earning to the next back tokens project. $2 point 46 million amount. $104 104.64K participate. Okay, so welcome to my live stream and thank you so much everyone. Okay everyone, thank you so much joining my live stream everyone. No project in Launchpad not relaunchable. Log GUSD USD to power to get power airdrop. Highest APR 65.52%. Participate. Okay, KTK. Okay, so welcome to my live stream everyone. Thank you. Okay, KTK की इस टाइम प्राइस शो नहीं हो रही, सो कमिंग सोन है ये KTK. Okay, so welcome to my live stream everyone. Thank you. चलिए दोस्तों, ये थी हमारी आज की लाइव. फिर मुलाकात होगी एक नई लाइव के साथ. अल्लाह हाफिज. तो हमें याद रखिएगा. बाय बाय, टेक केयर. मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट, आपकी दोस्त एंजल आई.